I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on your virtual lab. Some of you have already completed it. I would appreciate if you would do the virtual lab tour first. I'm not going to press you on getting it finished, but it is for a grade, so you'll make sure that you complete this one and then come down here for your second assignment in terms of lab. I've made this one due on Sunday, so take note of that. It's regarding chapter 2. I want to make sure we get it grouped in with what we're studying currently. But you're going to click on it. You'll probably see this page right here. And you'll come down and click connect. Once you click on that assignment, this is what you should be looking at. Make sure you read the introduction, because from some of this information, you're going to make a couple of predictions. Okay. This kind of gives you an outline of the lab. And we'll choose here. So what is your prediction for this experiment? Without reading the intro, I'm going to make a guesstimation here. So different antacids will have a different effective buffering capacity. So what do you think is the best strategy here? Are you going to start with a beaker full of acid and then add the antacids to that to determine change in pH? I will add a different antacid to individual beakers and measure the number of drops of phenol red needed to change pH. I'm kind of liking that one because I can control that method drop by drop. So that means I'll need to prepare a solution first and then start adding acid to that. Watch for a color change. I'm going to pick that one, see if I'm right. Oh, phenol red is a pH indicator. Okay, so I misread that there. Phenol red is not actually what changes the pH of the solution, it's what indicates the pH of the solution. That one sounds good. I will add a different antacid to individual beakers and then measure the number of drops of acid needed to turn the phenol red indicator yellow. So I bet we'll have a solution of water. We will put some phenol red indicator solution in there, and then we will slowly add acid to it until we see a color change. And then we're going to probably document how much acid we put in that beaker. Okay, so that was right. This kind of takes a second to get used to, but once you get used to it, it's great. I really think these are great labs. So it gives you clear directions up here. Add distilled water to the first beaker. To pick this up, you're going to click once. Over here and just click once again, and it'll put all the fluid in there that you're supposed to have. You don't have to worry about measuring it out. Let's see if I can add more. Nope, I can't even add more. You got to click again to put it down. Add phenol red to the first beaker. So this is a pH indicator. Click it once. Here I'm going to stir it up. And I'm going to put this virtual glass rod in this virtual wash bin by just clicking on the wash bin. It says count the number of drops of HCl added to the beaker until the mixture turns yellow. Record to lab. Record in lab data. And so this is pure water with an indicator in it. We've not added any of these antacids to it yet. So any amount of hydrochloric acid added to this beaker should instantly lower the pH to make it an acidic solution. Let's pick HCl up. And after one drop, it turned yellow. Okay, so question is, what is the purpose of testing distilled water without an antacid? Well, we need to control. All right, it's a negative control, meaning there are no other buffers in here, and so it should turn immediately acidic as soon as we put an acid in there. Remember, HCl is a strong acid, and strong acids dissociate completely in water, and so there should be some immediate protons given up as soon as we put this acid in water, and that's what happened with the first drop. And I was correct. Okay, so I'm going to go down here to my lab data, In beaker 1 for distilled water, I put 1 drop in there to make it acidic. Also, I don't even have to hit enter. I can just close that out. Let's do one more step. Select calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide placed in the mortar. Calcium carbonate. Put these tablets in here. We're gonna click again. Okay. Pour the powder into the beaker. Add my water. I need to stir this up now. Oh, I guess I can save a step by adding the indicator first. We learned earlier that the function of phenol red in this experiment is a pH indicator. Mix that up pretty good. Wash bin, that's dirty. Okay, so let's do one more here. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I was looking away, reading the steps while I was adding. So was it 12 or 13? I'm going to add 13. Lucky 13. Okay, and you'll complete that until you're done. Okay, mortar and pestle's clean. And that's it.